Good evening, sleepyheads. We out here playing Vita Mahjong. A game I've been seeing ads for, and a game I thought seems really relaxing. The moment I booted up the game, oh, did you hear that? Beautiful, beautiful water sounds. So I thought we're gonna have a good time here. I hope you're snuggled up in bed. You have some water by your side, because hydration is key, especially when you wake up. You're going to want to get hydrated. You kickstart the day, kickstart your brain. So have some cuddles, unless it's really hot where you are. Then don't have blankets. Get comfy, get snoozing, and we can finally begin some Vita Mahjong. So, something I seem to have noticed, there seems to be a little colour palette up here. Themes, poker. wait a minute. Ooh, background. Ooh, which one? I really like that one. Oh, I like this one too. They're also nice. Let's go this one now. We've got simple, got classic, vintage. What's the difference here? Just so it's like slight stylistic tweaks. Panda, that's super cute. Poker is really funny. An antique, that's cool. Let's go simple for now. No, let's go classic. Let's do some classic. So let us begin level 1. Oh, there's a little panda down there. So, Mahjong works is basically a matching game. And as you can see, some tiles will be hidden behind other tiles, so you need to make sure you match things. Wait, locks by left and right. Oh, the sides are also a thing. Okay, wait. Hey now, hey. You can't just give me that little itty bitty tutorial and then shove me in the H&P Iron Gate of Mahjong. So I'm guessing we can't hit that one. Oh, we can? But it was covered, right? Was that one not covered? This was covered. That was covered, yeah. That one is not. I guess with a 3D effect, the slight overlap from this tile isn't actually overlapping, because we don't have a perfect bird's eye view. Okay. Sure. Let's play some Mahjong. Oh, you're locked by the left and right. Okay. And you're locked too? Yeah. Oh, they're not the same. Okay, let's grab you two. And monkeys. Okay, here we go. We're making some leeway here. Oh, I can do you now. That's cool.
Good.
Thanks, game. Good. Sounds like someone from Halo. The Halo announcer. Can I change the theme from here? Oh, I can. Okay, let's go. Let's do panda. Yeah. Oh,
Great.
great. Oh, they are not the same. Oh, these two are there. There we go. Awesome sauce.
Excellent.
Left and right. Oh, dragons. You two. You two. You two.
Good.
Oh. Wait, you can't. But you are next to each other. That's crazy. Yeah, look at that panda. Oh yeah, you're gonna be locked. I love that tactile sound. You two, then you two, then you two, then you two.
Good.
The dogs, the things. Okay, it's all coming together now.
Great.
There we go. We beat 92.3% of players. Hell yeah. Perfect performance. I like the sound of that. Okay. Head straight back in here. I really like the panda theme. Oh, sorry, another one. Oh, and another one. Let's, switch stuff a little bit here. Let's check out poker. I'm just interested. Lost for words there for a second. This is really strange. Weird. It's like a culture shock moment, because you still have like the snakes and the panthers. You still have like the iconography.
Good.
That isn't like strictly poker iconography. This is boring. Let's do this. This is more fun. Vintage, antique. Let's go panda. I'm sorry, I really like the panda one. There are such subtle differences in some of these. You really gotta pay close attention to what you're looking at. I can't see another match. What's going on with me? Oh, these two to those two. There we go. That other panther I didn't properly take note of.
Great.
So you can be selected. Where's the other monkey? Oh, it's up here. So you... I'll connect to you. Nice. Oh no, you're locked. No. Look at all these little pandas.
Good. Great. Excellent.
Ooh, you two, you two, you two. Nice.
Good.
Not like you want to do. Okay, rapid style. Watch this.
Good.
Not as good a combo as my other one. I think I got like 13 then on the other one. I'm really enjoying this game. Let's keep going. These sounds are so calming. Locked by the left and right, of course, of course. How would you play this in real life? Because surely, like, in-person renditions of this game would be a bit more limited, I guess? Because I feel like some of these constructions
Good.
are a bit physics-defying. Unless I'm just thinking too narrowly. Okay, I'm definitely thinking too narrowly here. There we go. Oh, these just still grayed out. Oh, they stay grayed out. I guess just keep reminding you that it's not available yet.
Good.
Nice. Oh, no lock. Okay, here we go, here we go. This is a very, I'm really going to pay attention with this game. I didn't think I thought it would be a pretty relaxing time, but
Good.
it's a lot. Well, it's not a lot, but it's a bit more intense than I
Great.
initially would have given it credit for. And by intense, I mean... really, you just got to pay attention. I wasn't
Excellent.
expecting to pay this much attention. That's what I'm failing to say.
Amazing.
Ah, you too. Whoa, is that a 28 combo? Nice. I hope you're finding this relaxing here in Snore City this fine evening. If Vida Mahjong isn't quite your thing, then don't worry.
Good.
We'll be doing all sorts of things. Jigsaw puzzles, card games, and the like. There are some other more like abstract mobile games that I'm gonna be just playing and relaxing and having a good time. So if ever you come across a sleepless night, just know that Snore City is always welcome to visitors. The doors will always be open.
Great.
Ah, how foolish. Ah, there you are. I was trying to look for you.
Good. Good.
I am so locked into this game right now. I don't
Good.
think this is so much fun. Just finding matching pairs. Who would have known? I think it's that sound. The sound. The click clacking. Oh, breakthrough reward. Excuse me. Intelligent. Excuse me, what? A breakthrough reward? What did I break through? I was enjoying that level. What's going on? What was that? And how do I get it again? Let's go into the how to play. Maybe it'll tell us about... Nope. Interesting. We'll change that to background. Let's ooh. This one's actually worse. I like the panda one. I know there is like a ship in waves behind here, so we'll clear the board because that might be a cool sight to look at. Oh, how foolish!
Good.
If you still find yourself struggling to doze off, and you're just kind of now just locked into the video too, it might be worth hitting the comments and just talking about the day you've had.
Great.
Was it a good day? Was it a boring day? Did it kind of suck? Was it meh? How are you feeling? Let the comments be a soundboard. And you don't even have to post, just type it out. Practice typing that out just now. You can delete it afterwards. I'll still be here, just
Amazing.
click-clacking away at these tiles.
Unbelievable.
Breakthrough reward again. How do I trigger these breakthroughs? Maybe you've had a breakthrough in your personal life. I would hate that if you were about to doze off and I just start talking about reflecting on your day and it woke you up. I would hate if that happened.
Good.
Nah, what are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? What are you gonna do?
Great.
I need to expand my horizons here. There's a lot unlocked on this bottom layer, which I was kind of tunnel visioning out for a second there.
Excellent. Amazing. Unbelievable.
Another breakthrough, come on. You've got to stop completing these games for me, please. Amazing victory. You're a true Mahjong master. No, you're completing half a level for me. I guess if you get matches fast enough, maybe, it's like, wow, you're so good. Let me do the rest for you, King. And it's like, I want to play the game.
Good.
I'm having a good time. Please stop playing the game for me.
Great. Excellent. Amazing.
Durat.
Good.
I'm gonna get a breakthrough in a minute now, aren't I?
Great.
Oh, I might be able to complete this
Good.
level. I did it! There we go. Well, I think I will call it here. I'm feeling much more zenned out. I hope you're fast asleep. If you are not, then go watch another video. Or rewatch this one. Maybe play some Mahjong for yourself. Ultimately, I hope your evening has been improved. You're feeling a bit more relaxed. If you didn't get the glass by your bedside and you're still awake, then you may as well go get some glass. Get a glass of water. You may as well go get one. Well, thank you so much for joining me. I hope you've enjoyed your stay in Snore City. I hope to see you again. Have a very good night. Thank you for watching.